Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. Comment ça va? Comment ça va?
Fine. Fine, thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Ma'am, fine. Thank you, ma'am.
What is fine in French?
Ma'am.
Ça va bien, isn't it?
Yes.
Comment
Yes,
ça va?
ma'am.
Ça va bien. If you're very good, ça va très bien. If you're not good, ça va mal. Ça va mal. Is there anybody who is not good? Who's not in a good mood in the class today?
Ma'am, I am good every day.
Very nice. May you be good every day.
Ma'am, what is my French marks?
Beta, I don't remember, and you'll soon get your report cards.
Okay, ma'am.
How was your exam, by the way?
Ma'am, excellent.
Excellent. Very nice. Okay, so can I have Fazil Khan, your video on?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Was the question paper easy or difficult, children?
Ma'am, difficult.
Difficult. Oh my God. That
Ma'am.
was difficult. What was difficult in the question paper? Overall, you found. Yes.
Ma'am, describe the mirror in French.
Décrivez votre mère.
Yes, ma'am.
But we have already done it in the class. Why were you not able to do it? There were just 4 lines that you had to write.
Ma'am, I have written in English.
You have written
In English.
in English. So were you supposed to write it in English? Or it was your French paper? In which language was the answer supposed to be written, children?
I'm French.
Then it is so obvious when you are doing your French paper, your answers should be in French when you get such questions. Only when you get to translate any sentences in English, you have to use English. Otherwise, all your answers are supposed to be in French. Anyways, so many students, so many of you did the copy paste from Google. Décrivez votre mère and these subjective questions. You simply made a copy paste from Google. To all those students, I have just given a 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, but I write in English, ma'am.
Better
I
than
think,
also.
ma'am, I have to.
In that case, also you have got 0
Yes, ma'am.
in that particular answer. Anyways, let's move ahead with today's class. Children, please put your videos on. I can see only Fazil Khan, Dhruv Bhojwani and Manhir Kaur's video on. Akshat Chandra, please put your video on like it was. And Devansh Gangwar. Who is Devansh Gangwar? Show me your face. Good. This is how you're supposed to be in the class. Okay, everybody open up your books to page number 65. Let's begin the course. Let's begin our syllabus from the beginning. Vansh, Rajneesh, everybody put your videos on. Only then I'll be marking you present. This is what I have been told by Smriti ma'am. And if children do not put their videos on being asked, you can remove them from the meeting. So I don't feel like removing any one of you from the meeting. Please put your videos on. And everybody, I'm sure, has a notebook and a pen in his hand, because I'm going to tell you a few rules that you would be writing in your copies. Okay? So let's begin. What is the name of the chapter? Who is going to read? What is the name of the chapter? Leçon 6. What is the name? Les Amis de Caroline. What does that mean? Anybody can tell me? Les Amis de Caroline.
Les Amis de Caroline.
Yes, Les Amis. It's not Amis. First of all, the first rule is that you are not supposed to take the sound of the consonants if they are falling at the end of any word. Like in armies. You are saying armies. Now it is not supposed to be taken out. But then you can question me, then ma'am, why are you taking the sound of Les Army? Why are you calling it Les Army? Les is also ending in s, but we are taking out the name. So why we are taking out the sound of s here is because this les word les is being followed by a word which is starting with a vowel sound, right? The next word coming after lay is army. Army starts with a. A is a vowel. So wherever we have a condition like this, we carry forward the sound of the consonant along with the next word's vowel. That is why it becomes les amis. This is called liaison, carrying forward the sound of the consonant along with the following word's vowel. Les Amis de Caroline. Now, what is children de Caroline here? The friends of Caroline. Caroline is a proper noun. Now you understand the difference? You know what is a proper noun. Names of cities, names of place, names of anything are proper nouns. So Caroline is a proper noun. And before proper noun, write it down. Rule number 1, chapter 6, rule number 1. Before proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Also write that in bracket. Names of cities, human beings, etc. Bracket closed. To use of and from. To use of and from. We put the, de. We put de, which is called the in French. How is de pronounced? It is pronounced the. Les Amis de Caroline. Now, if I want to say the pen, yes, any confusion?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Okay.
The
What did I
first rule.
speak? What did I speak? What have I spoken so far? Tell me. Before proper nouns, we put the if we have to use of or from. See, children, simply try to understand to use of and from. Like we have sentences. This pen is of Neha. The pen of Neha. I come from Paris. I am from Jaipur. Okay, there are sentences which take of and from in a normal course. We use it many a times. So whenever there is a proper noun right after of or from, this of and from takes place of the before proper noun. Now suppose the pen of Neha. The pen of Neha. Le stilo de Neha. What is the translation? Le stilo de Neha. I'm typing in the chat box, children. You need to see what I'm typing. Now, Neha is what? Neha is a proper noun. So we need to put the before it. Why? Because we are using the word of, the pen of Neha. Now, if I say, I am from Jaipur, suppose I am from Jaipur. Jaipur is again a proper noun, right? My
Jahanti.
no, beta. I'm not saying I live in Jaipur. I'm saying I am from Jaipur. What is I am in French? Anybody can tell what is I am? Vansh, where are you working? Ever since you have joined the class, you are working.
Je suis.
Very nice.
Je suis.
Je suis. Now, if I want to say I am from Jaipur, what will I write? Je suis. Complete it, children. No, I am. Now, next two words are from Jaipur. I am from Jaipur. How will I write that? Je suis. What will I write from? What will I write for from? What is the translation of from in French? See, everybody see in the chat box. I am from Jaipur. Je suis de Jaipur. The means of or from in French. The word see, children. The means of or from in French. If I want to say the pen of Neha, le stylo de Neha. The pen of Daksh, le stylo de Daksh. The pen of Vansh, le stylo de Vansh. Is it clear? Now, if I want to say he is from Bareilly, he is from Bareilly, what will I write? He is from. Can anybody type in the chat box? I want your answers in the chat box, children. Just try. What is he in French? Ill. Everybody has forgotten. Why is the class so sleepy, so dull? Children, please give active responses even if your response is negative. At least say, ma'am, I don't know. Don't just sit so quiet. Good morning, Arun Patel. Your voice is not coming. Your microphone is not working, I believe. So, very nice, Vansh. Your answer, ill A. Very nice, Muhammad Uzair Khan. He is ill in French. Now, if I say he is from Bareilly, very good. So, the answer is ill A, the Bareilly. He is from Bareilly. Clear? Now, tell me one more translation. Very good. Tell me one more translation. Write in the chat box. Everybody has to type there. She is from Paris. She is from Paris. What will it be, children? Agrim Saxena, what is going on? Put your mic on mute. And one more thing, children. Why are your videos off? Don't you want to be marked present in the class? See, I'm taking the pic as it is and I'm going to forward it. Everybody put your videos on. Ready? Say cheese. Dhruv Bhojwani, Agrim Saxena, and Devansh Gangwar. You want to be a part of this class? Now look at Aryan Patel posing for the pic. Very nice. Agrim and Devansh, you want to be a part of the class or not? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, say. What,
Ma'am,
ma'am?
when I on video, ma'am, your voice is not clear, ma'am.
A new thing coming up, huh? My voice is not clear when the video is on.
Ma'am, I am not able to hear you.
Okay. You're not able to hear. All right. So, very nice. The translations from Fazil Khan, Mohammad Uzair, Vansh, Dhruv, Agrim. L.A.
Ma'am,
the Pahi. Yes, all
Ma'am,
are
at the Paris.
L.A. the Pahi. That's correct.
Pahi.
L.A. the Pahi. She is from Paris. So that is how we use the before proper nouns. And we always use the before proper nouns. If suppose the noun is common noun, what will we use? We will use due or dala. Okay, that will come on to later. Due and dala. But in case of proper nouns, we use the before them. Now, moving ahead, let me read out the chapter before you all. La, say Samira. Now, children, we have always studied that this la stands for the in French. I have always taught you that la is the
Ma'am,
which, yes.
ma'am, please tell ma'am chapter's name. Lesson.
Beta lesson says Les Amis de Caroline. Till now, I have explained why we have put the before Caroline. Page number 65, Aryan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Les Amis de Caroline means the friends of Caroline. Correct. The friends of Caroline. So to use of before proper nouns, we put de, the. Now, la is the, la means the, which is used as a definite article. La means the, used as definite.
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
No, just see in the chat box. La always means what? The definite article. Like la fille means the girl. Le stylo, the pen. Okay. But here in this dialogue, they have la, say Samira. What is la? Now la, when it comes with an accent grave, you all can see an accent grave on it, placed on it, right? So when there is an accent grave on la, the meaning of the word changes. Here the meaning is there. La means there. Okay. There. It is Samira. When somebody enters the door, don't we say, there he is, there she is. So the dialogue is, la, say Samira. There it is Samira. L.A. Pakistanaise. Now they are talking about Samira's nationality. What is her nationality? She is Pakistani. Pakistani. Don't talk about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
country.
She is from Pakistan.
Yes, she is from Pakistan. Now, can you please translate in French? Everybody type in the chat box. She is from Pakistan. Pakistan is again a proper noun. And Pakistan in French is Pakistan. Same spellings. Akshat Chandra, start typing.
क्या कर रहे हैं यार भैया?
She is from Pakistan. No, now Mohammad Uzair. You have seen it from where? You have seen it from Google, right? Copy paste kar diya wahan se. व्यंग का मतलब क्या होता है पता भी है? Have we done this work? Better try it on your own, and if you don't know, then say it, ma'am, I don't know. What is the point in this copy pasting thing? Now, LA, the Pakistan. She is from Pakistan. The Pakistan. And LA Pakistanis means she is Pakistani. This is how we are going to use. We are talking about her Pakistani nationality. Then, next we have Isi, say Pedro. The next dialogue is Isi. Now, what does this word Isi mean? Isi means here. What does Isi mean? It means here. Write it down. Here, it is Pedro. Here it is Pedro. Il es español. Il es español means he is Spanish. Which nationality is español?
Spanish.
Very nice. Spanish.
Spanish.
Now, since we are using it for Pedro, Pedro is what? Masculine. Pedro is a masculine gender. So we do not put E in the end. As you can see in the nationality Pakistanis, we have put E in the end. Why? Because we are talking about a girl. And the nationality, the nouns have to be according to the gender. So Pakistanis takes E in the end, while Espanol, which is being used for Pedro, a boy, we do not add E in the end. So rule number 2, write it down. To make a nationality, feminine, we put E in the end. To make a nationality or to change a nationality into feminine, we put E in the end. Written, once, mute your mic. Written, all of you? Okay. Then, now
No, ma'am.
Not written, write it.
No, ma'am. May I take my notebook, ma'am?
Okay, take. You were sitting without your notebook.
I'm done.
So fast.
Ma'am, please read it again.
To make a nationality, to change a nationality to feminine, we add E in the end. We add an E. Now, children, this rule is not applicable in all the cases. It is a general rule which is applied in most of the cases, but this rule is not applicable to 100% cases. Why? Because there are nationalities which already end in E. Now, those nationalities that already end in E do not take another E to be into feminine. Getting my point? When suppose any nationality is ending already in E. Let me give you an example. Like Swiss. If a person is from Switzerland, he is called a Swiss. S-U-I-S-S-I. S-U-I-S-S-I. Sorry, S-U-I-S-S-E. The spelling is S-I-L-A-S-U-I-S-S-E. Now, this nationality, see in your chat box, it already has an E in the end. Il est Suisse. To change it into feminine, we will not add another E. It will come in the same way. only ill will get changed to L. Got the point? Is it clear to all of you? Very nice, very good. So,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, please repeat it again.
to change a national into feminine, we always add an E in the end. But this rule is not applicable in 100% cases. Where there is already an E in the end, we do not add another E to make it feminine. The
Okay, ma'am.
example is in your chat box. Il est suisse, elle est suisse.
Ma'am, chat box.
Chat box. Check your chat box.
Ma'am, I'm seeing. Yes, ma'am, I'm seeing.
Okay, written everybody? Have you all written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, moving ahead, we have,
Yes, ma'am.
then look at the third dialogue. We have a voila, Sonia. And there is Sonia. Voila means there is. And what is a? Et mean? What does et mean?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, and.
And.
Very nice. And now, children, see, est is a and et is also a. Both the pronunciations are same, but it depends on the sentence whether it means is or it means and. So that you have to figure out when you are listening to any dialogues. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
Voila. A, voila Sonia. What is voila? There is.
Yes,
And there is
ma'am.
Sonia. Elle Italien. Elle Italien. She is Italian. Now, which nationality have we spoken about?
Italy.
No,
Feminine.
Italian.
Italy.
The nationality
Italy.
is Italian.
Italian.
And children, when I ask you which country are we talking about, then your answer should be Italy. When my question is which nationality, then your answer should be Italian.
Italian.
This has been there from the beginning, that you are being confused between the nationality and the country. Children make this mistake. When we are talking about the country, name the country. When we are talking about, see, where do we live? In which country do we live? India. What is our nationality? Indian. We are Indians. So don't get confused in the two. It is so simple. Then next what we have, now Italian. Do you see the spellings of Italian, children? Everybody see in the chat box. For masculine Italian, we put this spelling. Masculine Italian. And for feminine, what do we put? Italian. Now, this is another rule. Write down rule number 3. When any nationality or any noun is ending in N, it ends with N. To make it into feminine, we double up the N and put E after it.
Ma'am, please repeat it.
If any noun ends in N in masculine form, if any noun ends with N. Now, what is the spelling of Italian in masculine? Italien. If any noun or any word ends, any adjective also ends with N, to make it into feminine, what do? We double up the N, we double up the consonant and put E after it. I'm going to give you one more very good example. Then you are going to be very clear about it. Another example written, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, another example is, see in your chat box, when we say bonjour, we put B-O-N, and when we say bonne nuit, we do it B-O-N-N-E. We double up N and put E in the end. Why? Because jour is masculine and nuit is feminine. Clear? Something that is good, born, and something that is good in feminine is born. Right? Clear to all of you, this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody say a yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And if it's not clear, say, ma'am, it's not clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Very nice. Now, moving ahead. Who is going
Ma'am,
to read
it's
the...
clear.
Very good. Who is going to read the dialogues now? Let's
Ma'am,
start
I.
the chapter. Yes, Dhruv Kumar. Start.
Ma'am, I.
Wait, Aryan. Let everybody get the turn. After Dhruv,
No, ma'am,
you
I
can
have not
read.
gotten.
Nobody
Okay,
has
ma'am.
got so far. Hurry up, Dhruv. Start. Where are you going?
First sentence. Salut. Common Alice woos.
Okay, wait. Before that, we have écoute et regarde. Listen to it and look at it. Now, what does Caroline say? Caroline says, yes, Dhruv.
Salut,
Salut. What is the
comment
sentence?
allez-vous?
Comment
Salut, comment
allez-vous?
vous?
Comment allez-vous? How do we say it? Salut. Comment allez-vous? Everybody speak.
Salut, comment allez-vous?
Salut,
Very nice.
comment allez-vous?
Very nice. Very nice. This is how it is spoken.
Ma'am,
Comment
ma'am,
allez-vous
it means how are you?
very good.
How are you?
Very nice. Comment allez-vous means
Hi.
how are you? So,
Ma'am, hi, how are you?
hi, how are you? So, Samira, Pedro, and Sonia, ensemble. Ensemble means together. They reply,
Together.
Yes, ma'am.
very good. What
Very
do they
good.
reply? Très bien. Now, what is
Très
très
bien.
bien?
Very good.
Very good.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Nice. Now, Caroline, what does Caroline ask?
J un question
Okay,
means I have a question.
very good. So, how do we say it? J'ai une question. J'ai une question.
Question.
J
Everybody
un
speak the whole
question.
sentence.
J-U
You
question.
Question.
Very good. J'ai une question. So Samira says,
Qu'est-ce
qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que
Qu'est-ce
c'est
que
means?
c'est?
What does it mean?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What's it?
What
What
is
is it?
What is
What
it?
is it? Yes. Samira says, what is it? What does Caroline
it?
ask then?
Tu es le livre de français. Do you
Very
have
nice.
the book
You
of
have the
French?
Book of French.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have the book of French. Tu as le livre de français? Tu as le livre de français?
Tu as le livre de français.
Very good. Now see children, we are talking about a particular subject here. So français here is a proper noun. They are talking about French subject. That is why they have put the before it. Tu as le livre de français. Then next.
J'ai livre de français et de maths. Yes, I
Ma'am,
have the
yes,
book of
we
French
are.
and
I
maths.
have the book of
Maths also.
French and maths.
Yes. We.
Yes, I am having the book of maths and science, maths and French also.
Math.
Yes. Oui, j'ai le livre de français et de maths. I have the book of French and
French
of
and
And
maths.
maths.
Then
And what
next,
is the meaning of Pedro?
Pedro is a name.
It's a
Pedro is a
name.
boy who is Espanol from Spain.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next,
Sonia.
So,
yeah.
Sonia, Pedro, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? Sonia said, what is it?
Okay, what
To
is it?
Pedro.
Yes. So what does Pedro reply?
Pedro,
Ce sont des foules pourries contrôlées.
police
Ce sont des
pure
fouilles.
le control.
Okay. Ce sont des fouilles pour
Ça, ça,
le
the
contrôle.
pure le control.
Pour le control. Pour le
Control.
control. Now what are fouilles?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this?
Law control.
These are
These are the papers of exam.
very nice. These are the papers of
Papers
exam.
of exam.
Exam.
Now children, see, when I say this is a pen, what do I say? C'est un stylo. Now
C'est
if
un
I
stylo.
say,
Stylo.
if I say these are pens, these are pens, what will I say? Now when
Ce sont des
this,
stylos.
huh? Yes, yes, say.
Ma'am, what? Please repeat again.
See, this is a
They
pen.
stylos.
This is a pen. Now change it into plural in English only. These are pens.
These are the
These are
pens.
These
pens.
are the pens.
So this is gets changed into these are, right? Similarly,
Yes,
when
ma'am.
we say in French, c'est un stylo. C'est un
Ce
changes
sont,
into
ce sont
sont.
stylos.
Ce sont des stylos.
Ce sont stylos.
Ce sont
Ce
des.
sont des stylos.
So they
Very nice.
stylos.
Ce sont des
Stylo.
stylos. So he says, ce sont des fouilles pour le contrôle. These are the papers of exam.
Of
So
the
what does
exam.
Sonia say in the end?
Ooh la la, nous avons la contrôler aujourd'hui. She
Now
said,
again see.
oh my,
Yes. Again see.
Oh
nous,
my God.
Nous avons. Now, nous is ending in S and avons is beginning with A. So we have to carry the S sound with A. So that becomes nous avons.
nous avons.
Nous
avons.
Nous avons.
Nous avons.
Nous avons.
Avons.
Everybody say nous avons.
Nous
Nous
avons.
Nous avons.
Nous avons le contrôle aujourd'hui.
Oh my God, today we have exam.
We have, oh my, we have an exam today. So I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. The concept, now
Yes,
what
ma'am.
all
Yes, ma'am.
concepts have we studied in the chapter? We studied the concept of and from. Off and from. Before proper noun, it comes as the, de, right? Then we studied the concept of adding an e to make it into feminine. Correct? Then we studied the concept of making the consonant, doubling up the consonant and adding e in the end. And when there is e already, we do not add another e to make it into feminine. We learned these 5 things today. Clear to all of you? I hope there are no doubts. Now let's do these dit, re, ufo, page number 66. Who is going to read? Aryan Patel. Hurry up and read
Yes,
these
ma'am.
sentences.
Ma'am, Pedro, Caroline, et Samira, ce sont des MS.
Sont des amis. Ce sont, it's not ce sont.
Des
It's
amis.
sont des amis. So are they
Sont,
friends?
sont des amis.
Des amis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is it re, ufo?
Ma'am, right.
Re. Re
And re.
stands for true, fo
Re.
means false. So they
And
all are friends.
false.
Yes. They all are friends.
Ma'am, true.
Re. Re. Yes, it's true.
Re.
Re. Samira
Re.
a le
Yes,
livre
ma'am.
d'histoire. Now what is this?
Fo.
Fou.
Fo.
Fou.
Does not have. She only had the books of French and maths. Sonia a Italian.
Ra.
Re.
Re.
And Pedro a Francais.
Fo.
Fou.
Fo. Parce Pedro
Fo.
a Español. Because Pedro is Spanish. So I hope the chapter is clear to all of you children. Now in the
Yes, ma'am.
next class, we are going to continue with the definite
Yes, ma'am.
articles. In the next